Hello everyone, we were enjoying this sceneries, the flying kite in the sky. But that time, my colleague Mamun brother said a wonderful story about his past life. And he said that he used to fly kite in the sky, and once upon a time he made a wonderful, awesome kite. নাম জানি কি ওটা কি কাইট চিলি kite, chill kite, right? So the kite was very favorite to Mamun Bhai, but the problem is when he used to fly this kite long time, and he abandoned all kinds of good or important activity. That time his mother uh, broke the kite, so that time he became very angry, right? You became very angry, and because his favorite kite has been broke, so that's why it's a common thing that anyone will be angry. So he again made another kite, and then he flied that kite again. So that was the past memory he just right now remember right now. So I heard and I feel the situation that time, right? So if you also like, just comment below. Allah Hafiz.